Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So before knowing the different software programming languages and that are related to the web technologies, the first thing you need to know about the internet, because this internet is tied up with this web technologies, and that's why you need to know about the internet. And now you will get a doubt what she is going to tell about an internet. But have you ever thought of history of internet till now? So now we are going to talk about the history of internet, the basic services that are provided by the internet, and different search engines that we used in internet, and the uses of internet. So in this video I want to give an introduction part of this internet. Okay, let's see the definition of internet. What is the internet? That's a basic thing you already know, okay? Whatever you know, just keep it in the form of a sentence, that's it. And now the definition is, internet is a network of computers which links many different types of computers all over the world. Now let's see the history of internet. Actually, when was this internet concept is raised? The history of internet has its root in the ARPANET. From this, internet is established. So what is ARPANET? ARPANET means Advanced Research Project Agency of US Department of Defense. So those people have started the concept of internet, and they developed the internet, which is a network of computers which can link many types of computer all over the world. ARPANET has introduced first WAN in 1969. And how the internet is evolved? It is evolved from the basic idea of ARPANET. And so initially they shared and exchanged their information from one system to another system within their organization. This process is done between 1969 to 1988. But in 1989, the US government lifted restrictions to use internet and allow its uses for commercial purposes as well. So, internet is available for commercial purposes all over the world. From then, the internet has grown rapidly, and now this is the world's largest network. And yes, internet is the biggest invention in this world, and it has made our lives very easy. Without internet, we may not even going to meet today. But with internet, that's possible. And yeah, that's a great experience to me too, to meet you all. And this is for this session. And thank you for watching. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe to my channel to get more updates on these type of subjects.